Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use max particles. We'll dive straight into the fundamental principles that govern these dynamic visual effects. First, you'll learn the essential steps to initiate and configure a particle emitter, setting the stage for your creations. Then, we'll explore the core settings that control particle behavior, from their initial velocity to their lifespan, ensuring you grasp the foundational elements for stunning results. This approach provides the most efficient path to mastering particle effects. To begin, create a new particle system, specifically utilizing the standard particle flow source for optimal control. Next, carefully define the emission shape and size. For instance, a sphere with a radius of 10 units or a plane measuring 20 by 20 units. This dictates where your particles originate. Finally, set your initial particle count to, say, 500, and an emission rate of 50 particles per frame to achieve your desired visual density and flow. Now, let's fine-tune particle behavior. Adjust the speed to, for example, 5 units per second with a variation of 20% for natural movement. Set the lifespan to 100 frames, allowing for a graceful fade. Crucially, implement forces like gravity with a strength of 1.0 and perhaps a subtle wind effect to influence trajectories realistically. Remember to optimize rendering settings, perhaps reducing the display percentage to 25% in the viewport, to maintain smooth performance during complex simulations. For advanced control, leverage event-driven particle systems, allowing particles to change behavior based on specific triggers, like a collision. Apply intricate materials and mapping directly to your particles, perhaps a 512 by 512 pixel texture, for highly detailed appearances. Finally, always cache your particle simulations. This process pre-calculates the animation, significantly improving playback speed and rendering efficiency, especially for scenes with tens of thousands of particles. This ensures a smooth workflow and professional results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.